Hello everybody, today I'm gonna talk about lab exercise 6 that we had for game 3001. Uh, just the AI thing that we have in our second semester of the college at George Brown. So the purpose of the assignment was having a prototype of a small AI that is gonna understand the obstacles and gonna connect the enemies and players to each other. So let's go and see the codes first, and also we mostly use AI unit behavior script. So inside this code, first of all, we get a float engagement range. We assign the engagement range float and we assign it to 100 units. So from the 100 units is gonna uh, put the engagement range is gonna show the lines that we're gonna print, not print, we're gonna show inside the game. Then we have a layer mask. We have a layer mask data type, and we assign the unit layer mask to it, and we have a rake as heat for any heats, and break as heat as well for the name of the variable. So inside the start function, we only get the mask from layer mask and assign it to the unit layer mask. And inside the uplinked function, we only call another method, which was detect enemy units. Inside the enemy units, first of all, we use some stuff from another script. As you can see here, we get the components from IIFF challengeable C# script, which is here. So we will let the script to get access to another variables or identifier or whatever we have in another assignment, in another script. And we use a collider or array for all the colliders that we're gonna have, and inside that we're gonna put the position of them, the engagement layer range, and also unit layer mask. And after that we use for each we use the for each for finding the colliders, and for each collider inside the colliders we're gonna do all this stuff. First we're gonna put the contact equal to the collider dot component dot unit, which is another script, as you can see here. And then we're gonna go through if a contact is null, so just continue, and it's gonna only skip everything that we've done. And another one, we're gonna get the friend or foe equal to the IFF tag, and inside that we're gonna contact the IFF get response to the my team, the team which you're gonna select. And if the friend or foe is not equal to the enemy, you're gonna just continue and do the rest. So here I only use an if statement, the normal if statement with a single else, and we use physics.raycast to see the transform position and also contact. And here, as you can see, inside contact the transform position minus transform position is gonna calculate the distance between the enemy and the player, not the player, like between these two tanks, blue and red, that we're gonna watch. And we're gonna do this again for another side, and at the end that magnitude, and layer dot get mask terrain for the layer that we have for the obstacles, which is layer is already set to the terrain. So here inside here we're gonna show the color yellow and debug log.train. And if that thing doesn't happen, and not having train and seeing an obstacle in front of it, it's gonna show the red color. So let's go and run it to see how the things is gonna work. If you click on the first tank, which I'm gonna click on the blue, and we, for example, put it here, the tank is gonna go there. And as you can see here, we have yellow lines which are not going through the obstacle, are gonna go around the obstacle, and we have a train debug block. And if you put it here, the yellow lines are gonna be red because the color is gonna be red. Also, you can delete the lines if you want, which you can do it if you like. So when you run it, you just not gonna see the yellow lines when you are behind the obstacle. That's all it's gonna do. Thank you for watching.